Are you ready to dive headfirst into the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing? Get ready to navigate the highs and lows of this fast-paced market with absolute confidence. You might be wondering, how on earth can you effectively decode this seemingly complex market and seize the incredible opportunities it presents? Well, fear not, because we've got you covered. Get ready to decode the mysteries of cryptocurrency investing like a true pro. So let's begin. The potential of cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market has experienced remarkable growth, making it an enticing space for investors seeking significant returns. You see, cryptocurrencies aren't just any investment. They offer something truly unique, a chance to participate in a decentralized financial system powered by cutting-edge technology known as the blockchain. This disruptive innovation has the potential to revolutionize not just finance, but also other sectors like supply chain management and decentralized applications. It's like stepping into the future. But let's focus on the incredible rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital assets have soared to unimaginable heights, creating a buzz that can be felt worldwide. Bitcoin, the pioneer in cryptocurrency, has been on a relentless climb in value ever since its inception. Its average annual returns have surpassed those of traditional investment assets, making it a force to be reckoned with in the financial world. So you see, the world of cryptocurrencies is a story filled with excitement and possibilities. It's a journey where technology meets finance, and the potential for wealth creation knows no bounds. Whether you're an investor seeking significant returns or simply curious about the future of finance, the world of cryptocurrencies has something incredible to offer. Expert insights and tips. You know what's really cool about cryptocurrency investing? It's the wealth of knowledge you can gain from industry experts. These folks have dedicated their time to mastering the ins and outs of the complex crypto market, and let me tell you, their insights are valuable. So let me introduce you to some of these brilliant minds. First up, we have Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase. His advice is all about rolling up your sleeves and diving into thorough research. Staying informed about market developments is his secret sauce. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make smart moves in this ever-changing landscape. Next on our list is Cathie Wood, the founder of ARK Invest. She's all about spreading the risk and diversifying your portfolio. It's like having multiple irons in the fire, so if one project doesn't work out as expected, you've got others that can make up for it. It's a solid approach to keep your investments on the right track. And hey, have you heard of Anthony Pompliano? He's the co-founder of Morgan Creek Digital Assets, and his advice is pure gold. He suggests investing in projects with solid teams and real-world utility. It's like putting your money behind the people and ideas that have the potential to make a real impact. It's a smart move to support projects that have a strong foundation and a purpose. Finally, we have Andreas Antonopoulos, a true legend in the world of Bitcoin. His message is crystal clear: educate yourself. Understanding the technology behind cryptocurrencies is like having a superpower. It empowers you to make informed decisions and navigate this fascinating world with confidence. Identifying promising projects. Trust me, it's all about having a systematic approach and evaluating each project carefully. First things first, we need to consider the project's technology and innovation. Look out for cryptocurrencies that embrace advanced technologies like blockchain, smart contracts, and scalability solutions. These are the building blocks of success and can pave the way for long-term growth and adoption. Market capitalization is another key factor to consider. A higher market cap usually indicates a larger user base and potentially more stability. But don't overlook those smaller projects with strong growth potential. They might just be the hidden gems that can offer higher returns in the long run. Now let's talk about the people behind the project. Pay close attention to the team and advisors. Look for experienced professionals with a track record of success in the crypto industry. A strong team can drive innovation, development, and adoption of the cryptocurrency. They're like the engines that power the project's success. Next up, let's examine the project's roadmap and milestones. You want to invest in projects that have well-defined goals, regular updates, and a clear vision for the future. This shows their commitment and the potential for long-term success. It's like having a roadmap to guide us through the investment journey. Community support is also crucial. Take a look at the level of engagement and activity within the project's community. A passionate and active community can contribute to the project's growth, adoption, and overall success. It's like having a tribe that believes in the project's potential. Keep an eye on partnerships and collaborations too. When a project forms strategic alliances with reputable companies or other cryptocurrencies, it enhances their credibility and widens their reach. Such collaborations can lead to increased adoption and potentially higher value. It's like joining forces for a greater impact. Lastly, pay attention to market trends and user demand. Look for cryptocurrencies that offer real-world solutions and target transparent markets. Understanding the needs and trends of the market can help us identify projects with the potential for widespread adoption and significant returns. By considering these evaluation criteria, we can better identify those promising cryptocurrency projects with long-term growth and profitability potential. However, it's important to do thorough research, exercise due diligence, and stay updated with market developments. Managing risks and volatility. Imagine this: you've decided to jump into the world of cryptocurrencies, but you're well aware of the market's inherent volatility. You know that effective risk management is key to safeguarding your investments and maximizing your chances of success. One of the fundamental strategies in risk management is diversification. It's spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies, sectors, and asset classes. By doing so, you minimize the impact of volatility on your overall portfolio. It's like having multiple baskets to hold your eggs. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, it won't significantly affect your entire capital. It's all about spreading the risk and finding balance. But that's not all. It's important to set precise risk tolerance levels. By establishing a predetermined threshold for acceptable losses, you can make disciplined decisions even during times of market turbulence. This prevents emotional responses from taking over and leading to impulsive actions that can be detrimental. It's like having a guiding compass that keeps you on track. Now let's talk about stop-loss orders. They're like safety nets for your investments. By setting automatic sell orders at predetermined price levels, you can limit potential losses if a cryptocurrency's value drops below a certain threshold. It's a smart move to protect your investments from severe downturns. It's like having a safety valve that kicks in when things get too risky. To effectively manage risks, it's vital to stay informed. Stay updated with the latest market trends, news, regulatory changes, and technological advancements in the crypto world. Knowing what's happening around you is like having a radar that helps you make more informed decisions. It allows you to adjust your investment strategy based on potential catalysts or market-moving events. It's all about being in the know and staying ahead of the game. And here's an extra layer of protection. Implementing proper risk management techniques includes allocating a portion of your portfolio to stable assets or setting aside emergency funds. This ensures that you have a cushion to weather market downturns and unexpected expenses without jeopardizing your entire investment portfolio. Maximizing returns. Incorporating expert tips and strategies is crucial to achieving maximum returns in the crypto market. You can enhance your profitability and investment outcomes by mastering the following key factors. First off, timing is everything. Understanding market cycles and identifying the right moments to enter or exit positions can have a huge impact on your returns. You can take advantage of market dips or consolidations to buy at better entry points and sell during price rallies to lock in profits. Next, research and due diligence are your best friends. Before investing, it's crucial to thoroughly research cryptocurrencies. Dive into the project's fundamentals, technology, team, partnerships, and market demand. This knowledge helps you identify promising projects with growth potential while mitigating the risk of investing in less credible or volatile assets. Diversification is another key factor. Spreading your investments across diverse cryptocurrencies helps you mitigate risk and capture potential opportunities. By diversifying, you can benefit from the growth of different projects and sectors while reducing the impact of any single asset's performance on your overall portfolio. Staying updated on market trends is vital. Keeping a finger on the pulse of the crypto industry helps you make informed investment decisions. Stay tuned to the latest news, regulatory changes, adoption by major institutions, and technological advancements. This knowledge empowers you to adjust your strategy accordingly and stay ahead of the curve. Risk management is another crucial aspect. Implementing techniques like setting stop-loss orders helps you limit potential losses and protect your hard-earned profits. Establishing clear risk tolerance levels keeps you disciplined during market volatility, preventing emotional decision-making that could lead to unfavorable outcomes. While short-term trading can be profitable, it's also important to consider long-term investment approaches. Investing with a long-term mindset allows you to capitalize on the potential growth of projects over time. This way you can ride the waves of the market trends and technological advancements, maximizing your returns along the way. Remember to track the performance of your investments regularly. Keep an eye on market trends, evaluate the progress of projects in your portfolio, and be open to making adjustments as necessary. Market conditions change, and it's important to adapt. It's important to keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrencies comes with inherent risks, and it's worth noting that past performance does not guarantee future results. By incorporating these tips, conducting thorough research, and staying well-informed, you can enhance your profitability and improve your chances of success in the ever-changing and potentially rewarding realm of cryptocurrency investing. Remember, knowledge is power, and being proactive in your investment journey can make all the difference. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Thank you for watching.